de kwasi afom ku TikTok me na me mom ti omo rent me ti am nyani baketo asa o open one district one factory one burger one job me oman truck caption and man kan ho omo ntumi nya bibia me na omo de ti omo rent moa mombom pa ma me na me hu no na no chan hene odufo na me chia obechi nie ay rade Yakobon Gramba. Fufu abegin kwan abuofunu wudi anufu okoto nkranwom. Shogbe. Ka mi aleke na okunke. O na mi ka le papa. Ma memme na. Shogbe. Onufu se oboase anka wo. Okoto nkranwom abuofunu. Tie nyansa wa. Agwa wada. Ebi wo de majimi o. We Jimmy Bruta 42-24 ato mo betina opposition a che mi say so me young me che me nyanko yo mo bodam mo Jimmy MBB Ewurade Yakobon mo Jimmy fu ataban mo ayese tetentontom we Jimmy mo ayese tetentontom MBB mo Jimmy mo ayese tetentontom mo ayese tetentontom Jimmy sana mo die kire sem nwan on Munsia de enti mo makwase bia obedi monima na odada mo Ghana for omo hunu kure no muntimi ndada obi abiem esi abeso o attack Kevin Taylor for no kure ne bra for fact ne bra Kevin Taylor sam ke ka de me de internet Jesus o ai minti ko Europe ko hwe ngofo bebre one day one factory me na me de ko omo mbo 2 hours omo tra na me caption aba no mo nya skate omo rent me e na me hwe nkofo one day one factory ko Germany ko London ni ade kwasi afom ku TikTok me na me mom ti omo rent me ti am nyani baketo asa o open one district one factory one burger one job me oman truck caption and man kan ho omo ntumi nya bibia me na omo de ti omo rent moa mombom pa ma me na me hu no na no chan hene odufo na me chia obechi nie ay rade Yakobon na ona na no MPP for my tetentontom omo Jimmy Bruta na me do we na also do me na me so wutie me for whiskey kakra to ase de tie Kevin Taylor. Now, 38 the ubeche. The question here tonight, team, stay with me. We have done 1 hour 45 minutes, right? We good? 1 hour 49 minutes. We're still on time. We're still good. Now, Hajj issue aba, and today, you're sorry, you know, you're tin sembebre, free nipa bebre ho, NPP 4 kasa. You say Hajj. Inti almost say Hajj a village, you know. NPP for someone tiasie. Inti and obete. And you see, sometimes I feel some people are supposed to take their time when issues come up before they speak. Obi to say, Jampo, Dumelivo, you people need to relax. Abani grandi 100 days. The way now, but Akufo Addo Jimmy Achintiama, Mumudu Duanojin say, Sebio, Akufo Addo Jimmy, no, Obia de Jimmy does not work like that. On say Akufo Addo Jimmy chair intama ye penny for the begin say omo bibi pam say Akufo Addo na Jimmy no enye Akufo Addo Mr. Don Melivo, this is not Akufo Addo. Jampo, this is not Akufo Addo. Minim say on say trauma na Akufo Addo de nyina efe mu no enti say hu bibi pani a gitri Akufo Addo saa na tie e de say kowinsenia sebio wo de drop kakra so de nsem kitu ebi no abo enti da bia no Akufo Addo de afa trauma mu enti say hu bibi ani yem hye ye hu aso na yem ahye Ghana so na yo nyame man eyo man a ye pass sorry and ye ti cathedral ye ti church ye ti mosque ne yem Akufo Addo because Akufo Addo ye bonsam because MPP omo ye bonsam omo ye tetentontom omo hu efin and intina we are still in a shock. The trauma we went through for the past 8 years, it will take time. And I understand when people start to be like, hey, Mahama said, obesi Hajj village. Hey, where the entire here, it is the same as National Cathedral. A trauma. And I understand because on say trauma, no, it takes time for some people to get out of it. Inti Semihunyama say I'm so relaxed. Akufo Addo's trauma is still in the system. It will take us like a year for us to get rid of Akufo Addo and NPP for 42 years. So we are all trying to grow out of Akufo Addo's PTSD. Now Hajj issue about NPP Omo Jimmy Bruta. We are all in that PTSD thing. Yeah, we are still trying to recover from the trauma. Inti atisika di emshie, yati project ani emshie. First nentisa, inti I understand. Dumelevo, Mr. Dumelevo, I understand you. Jampomone, Pegbumun, I understand. It is the trauma. We are all trying to get out of it. So don't you guys should understand, eh? Now, you see, Hajj village controversy. Ghana Airport Company Limited funds belong to the public. NPP MP replies Kwacho Fosu. Hwesa kwasia. Ofri abamwendu 6 months. Onwe nyanyansa betufo. Me catch on say NPP for yomo Jimmy. Now, there's some conversation going on, and I want you to understand. Say, the National Cathedral and the Hajj village, they are totally two different things. Now, the politics. I'll be back and say, dear Joma, Nana Akufo Addo kwasi ampenyi ye no, and no I be na Joma Mahama na politics. But the reality is that in Ghana, me be busa a simple question. Time and another Danko Akufo Addo catch Ghana for say, obesi nyame asore dan ama Ghana. Na odi ono ani sika na ebesi no. Who fought Akufo Addo? Nobody fought Akufo Addo. In fact, Nana Danko Akufo Addo eka so obesi Cathedral no Ghanaian fought him. Obiane na nyunkun until Nana Danko Akufo Addo started say obu aban dan gu. That was when people started getting angry. Judges dan ayesini foforo na kwasi ampenyin ne kwasiafo party tribal bigots no try say omu bu eye edan ayesini less than 5 years omu butugu adan or say obesi Cathedral. So when they go for to mention so obesi Cathedral, you realize around the nation people were not angry, people were not pissed off. People thought, say, okay, also obesi Cathedral or say or shede nyanko pombo. But it was two things, or there were two things enema Ghana for bufuye. One, or stati bubu a taxpayers building. Our abaya sa so. And secondly, Nana Danko Akufo Addo catch say he was not going to use government funds to build a cathedral. But as time went on, Yebehun say Nana Danko Akufo Addo kwasi ampe ni MP before no, they took our money to build a cathedral which was never built. Into a whole agitation started here. Then people started getting angry because one, Nana Danko Akufo Addo also will see the amo Nyankopon or say on Fagana sika biansi. And nemum what the sorry any ankura sika na besi. Wobu eye taxpayer edaya togu. Asema wo ka kire say won fa aban sika no so. Later Ebehun say you have set up a board, you are paying the board and you are taking government money. And people started getting angry. Now, let's go to the Hajj village. There's something I want Ghanaians to understand. The Hajj village now you Ghana no. It is not a mosque. And we need to get this clear. Hajj village now, John Mahama ashe ewiase onyankopon ene nkremufo mo Ghana bose aban wei ebesino. It is not a mosque. Enti sa Ghana na so bi ka kire say, oh, John Mahama eba besi Hajj village. Now, or the Ghana Fosika, at least John Mahama has made it clear. The Hajj village now obesino Ghana bansika no debesi. Now, so I say a government sponsored that. It means at least when they are trying to Ghana for one can't say okopesika o baby abrobe use abansika or say a Ghana Airport Company a mene wodiano and on beden omusika ni edibesi. Now the issue here is maybe some busa mundi padodo a mo hwe me Hajj village no, when did it start? It is not said John Mahama be wini presidency and obejira enim ka say obesi Hajj village ashe ala ni monyam. Hajj village has been in existence for over 20 years. Now the question is, the NPP and NDC, over the years, both of them have tried to build a Hajj village. Now Hajj village, it is basically not a mosque. In terms of the Nipa Bitrim, John Mahama Babesi Masalachi, John Mahama Omesi Masalachi. The Hajj village basically is a holding place. It's basically an administrative block that people will go there, get their administrative work done as Muslim, as they are staying there and waiting to get all their paperwork done to go to Mecca. That process, you need a place comfortable to stay. In this Nkremoni or Ghana, na ofrisremo besnako edien, ebesnako eye Mecca. Na se on rented da Accra. Na se owo baby a obetumi aban si a obetumi akoda ho. Obetumi aya sorry kakra. Obetumi make sure say eye immigration aba ho be check the documents nyina a taxi ne na kwa akofu plane. What is so serious about this ebin sida? Because enye a place anopa na nkremofo nyina free nima abase e be ya sorry. That is not a mosque. This is basically an extension of an immigration office of the Ghana Airport Company. Because Saud Sheki a Hajj village now, it is only one part of it that is a mosque. Every part of it is basically an administrative block and also a hostel. It is what is so extraordinary. Nipebi Ede Hajj village, a cathedral where a man who came to lead us lied to every Ghanaian and say, "On far Ay3ka." You have a president who is honest. We just say, yet the Ghana Airport Company in Footsoldiers and the Hajj village, you know. What is the big deal here? In the first place, Samia NPP 4 King Hajj, I say Ghana Airport Company funds belongs to the public. NPP 4 say Ghana Airport Company omusika no a public dia na inkremofo no moko Hajj village no omuye Ghana 4. Into what to say NPP 4 kasa they don't even respect Muslims. Because I had an say Ghana Airport Company, first so Edibesi Hajj village, you know, it belongs to citizens. Now, are they incredible for more Ghana mundia taxes? Incredible for more Ghana, are they not citizens? The president did not tell us, say, oh, see Hajj village, I'm not Nyankopon. Now, Kopeni Sika, or see Hajj village, now Ghana for almost yes citizens. Incredible for almost to tax. It is a airport company na ya me no diano emfaso no ye di si administrative block, an extension of the airport. Abema minyanom inkremofo so moko maka. Enya a place to rest and a place to put their documentations together, a place to get themselves ready. What is so wrong for you to say it is for citizens? Na Ghana Airport Company no enya mene intafo ya inkremofo sika na disiye. So why are you the NPP now telling us to say inkremofo mo Ghana mo citizens ana? Are they also not paying taxes? Are they also not Ghanaians? Also almost no the taxes no has to be used on them. There's a difference between National Cathedral and Hajj village. The National Cathedral and yet kasi ebesi National Cathedral. Akufo Addo ne kachire no se okopeni sika. Sanke Akufo Addo be kachire say Hajj a National Cathedral no or the Ghana sika ne besia, it would have been a different thing. But the issue here is Nana the Akufo Addo say on for Ghana sika. So as we speak here no, na John Dramani Mahama kachire straightforward say a Ghana Airport Company revenue in Faso no. So why should anybody? It clearly shows how disrespectful the NPP is to Muslims in Ghana. Nana the Akufo Addo spent $58 million. Ye who be bia on National Cathedral as I say so. Wana musika taxpayers' money. Okache so of sika. No, we re sika no. Ye busan se sika no here. Cathedral no kra here. Ye hu hwe. Obi say ye the airport company. Infrastructure kakra baba so no. Ene na ye di be see Hajj village. Ghana for mutua taxes no. But NPP at this point, maybe say me buso mo a simple question. Team. NPP be say buso mo a simple question. Are you in support of the Hajj village or not? Because time and more power no. Recently, John Mahama be kate sword for Hajj village no. Moka say Akufo Addo's legacy. Sikana Akufo Addo Edie Foundation na e ofo mo no. Ene sa asase no e hwan mo dia, enye Ghana for dia. Where did Akufo Addo get money to go make that foundation? Foundation fun tantan bi na mo ye no. E hwan sika ba o mi sika. Me pese me busa NPP for because it is becoming clear say the NPP they don't respect Muslims. The NPP omo nkremofo so mo jimi. They don't even consider nkremofo so mo Ghana for because in their speech, you know, Ghana Airport Company citizens dia na nkremofo mo citizens of Ghana. The chief imam is not a citizen of Ghana. In time for omo wo fadama, omo mamobi, omo nima, omo tua taxes every day no. Are they not also citizens of Ghana? So if today the president is clear enough to say Muslims also need a good place to rest, to put their documentations together as a holding place, administrative block before they prepare for Makkah. What have they done for you, the NPP, to tell Nkremofo say it is for citizens? Now Nkremofo are citizens. That's what I'm telling you. Say NPP for Omumbu Nkremofo Ghana. And the reason why Omumbu Nkremofo say Mahamudu Bawumia and Ama NPP for Omumbu Nkremofo because only NPP for this year. The only thing he tells them is say Nkremofo sebio omunye nipa omuto Ghana. Because why would a political party MPs come and tell us say Ghana Airport Company for citizens, Sikania for citizens. Now Chief Imam Ofri Dubai. in Kremofo muti Ghana muti taxes no free Ghana. Anytime people say NPP for say, are you people in support of this Hajj village? If you're not in support, let us know. Because at this point, I was expecting Mahamudu Bawumia to be sitting at the salt curtain to prove to Ghana for or in Kremonia or Don Kremonioma. Now Ghana for taxes a yetiano, say president not to the say airport company in Fasodi Bini Dibesia. Why are you people not supporting it? It is because NPP as a political party omu bunkremo for some yankwasia for. Now, John Mahama air campaign in Yinano, or catch the Ghana for plain say Abino Ebesi Hajj village. John Mahama never lied. This is John Mahama during the campaign. The
NDC presidential candidate John Mahama laid out his vision for the Muslim community during his interaction with municipal and district imams. He presented a series of key promises aimed at enhancing the welfare of the Muslim community in Ghana and addressing their concerns. John Mahama expressed his commitment to building a permanent Hajj village to improve the Hajj experience, reduce the cost of the pilgrimage. He also promised to add an extra Eid holiday and more.
Afesu yakase ye the holiday ba ko beka ho Eid al-Fitr senebeya ye Hajj committee ebehwe ni adwere ho ni ahwe se ne beya ebema Hajj bono abafom.
We will discuss with the Hajj committee to reduce the cost of Hajj. The Hajj village was relocated to the airport area and they used tent. When we are elected, we will build a permanent one. It will no longer be tents. It will be a proper building. I just heard today that the land where the Hajj village is currently located has been sold by the NPP.
You see the permanent and yet tent biom. Ebeya dia esiho a yet dying. And so now say I'm a here baby Hajj village no one ne NPP are buying aton assassin. Bank Juma. You were near a friend of Islamic banking.
We have Islamic banking, and there are specific rules to it. When we come into office, we will amend the banking laws to incorporate Islamic banking fully.
Banking no, and you see a bar, your best banking and rano, send a Islamic banking and so a baby account, your banking,
John Mahama added that if he had borrowed as much as the current government, he would have transformed Ghana into Dubai.
President at the New Finance Ministry. You can't be obedient. The finance minister,
he said, for the past 8 years, the president placed his relative at the finance ministry. Everything we said fell on deaf ears. He only knew how to borrow and nothing else. His bank, Data Bank, was the one facilitating the loans. So for every loan he secured, he received a commission. Now he's going to spend it. In just 5 years, he borrowed $11.5 billion.
The commission into Bosia, on the when you're the commission, I says, all cuts now, Eddie, and
so this is clear. During the campaign, Mahama Kachre in Kremofo more Ghana say, I bind the bar, I bind the best Hajj village, Hajj village and your moslachi, and your moskolachi, and your mosque. Hajj village. It is a mobile creating impression between Ghana for team. Say Mahama Kwako see Masalachi, Adenani is National Cathedral. National Cathedral, Nana the Danko Kuka catcher say, a on one bottom ska, on an end story being a BC. Ye $58 million na Ghana for Zika. John Mahama can no natural or sing credible for Ghana for incredible for citizens, incredible for Sebio, almost free Mali, incredible for almost Ghana for a war more Ghana, almost your taxpayers, almost citizens. In Fasobia be free Ghana airport company abano, almost so our the right to enjoy it. Intende, Sabambia ba, no one was incredible for almost here a place to prepare themselves. Prepare their documents to feel relaxed, to feel protected before they leave for Makkah. It is right, and it is right for them to build it. In this NPP focus say Ghana Airport Company Limited, a bind dia infasoni abaya. Na some person chest and crib for yan kwasi afo munya Ghana for. Emba na omugu dwom ye dwuma ye agege omo taxes no san crib for mba na enye tax no mutua ma Ghana. Inti adenti na omo ma amenom na papa nom epe baby adakeke agehye omo nkrata ahome akomaka obi tumi tina TV zuka say eye the Ghana Airport Company no it belongs to the citizens. Kwasia it belongs to the citizens. Na crib for me yan for. Incredible citizens. Mahamudu Bawumia championed the National Cathedral. Today as we speak, $58 million a quarter. Mahamudu Bawumia Jina Ewiasi Bebia say, Yenkosi National Cathedral. Today we are cutting sword for Hajj village, for a place that Muslims will prepare themselves and go to Makkah. Bawumia did not show up. Today, Mahamudu Bawumia Party NPP catcher say, in Kremofo Ghana for no more citizens, intimate citizens sika and see a place for them to prepare themselves and leave for Makkah. This is Mahamudu Bawumia campaigning rigorously for a National Cathedral.
One point before I sit, as you all know, there are efforts to build a national cathedral. It is very, very important that we build that cathedral. It's a voluntary exercise. Anybody who wants to contribute can contribute. I have contributed, and I will contribute some more. So I encourage everybody to think about it, and let's build it. It is not for anybody. It is for Ghana and for the glory.
Yes, he contributed to the National Cathedral. He doesn't want to contribute to the Hajj village because he sees Muslims and say, Omo citizens. Because Omo party, that is the stand they have taken. What is the big deal? Because Hajj village is an extension of an immigration office of the Ghana Airport Company. That's all. This is the Hajj village. It's member been two teams say Bahama Kwesi Masalachi. This is the Hajj village. This Mahamudu Bawumia. In the year 2017, I am happy with the ongoing facelifts and the arrangement made and commend the Hajj board for their work so far. 2017. Certain way you build the NDC in a building. Oba and he was commending the NDC. Today, the NPP are saying Kremofo citizens because of politics in T. Mema, John Mahama, Enfa Airport to form Footsoldiers NC Hajj Village. Are we mad? NPP, we are Mwana. Mwe Jimmy. Mwe say everything revolves around you people. Bawumia was busy campaigning for an illegal structure like the National Cathedral. Akufo Addo said they were not going to take a dime from our national coffers. It ended up say $58 million is gone. No cathedral. Nende Ghana ni President Tabana se opese osi a place for Kremofo to access. And you know the funny thing, this Hajj village a polo club next to the airport, in Kremoni bi obeba Ghana bia sebio okwa abrochira or pe baby akotena akoye prepare no ho and make sure so prepare. They can go there. It is not only Ghanaians. In Kremofo mu free Mali, omu free Dubai, in Kremofo mu free Egypt. So about Ghana, there could be students from Egypt who are all Muslims. When they come to Ghana, they go to the airport. They want to basically do Salah. They want a place they can sit and arrange their documentations and feel at home. They can go there and use the place. They can pay. They will use the rest of the money to do other things. Why are we so stupid? Because of politics in tea. And Mahamudu Bawumia NPP ne kacha say in Kremofo Ghana omonye citizens. In Tinkayamfa Airport. Sikano yamfankoye ngukobuo nkwasiafo. Now, this is the Hajj village. This is how it looks like. This is basically what the government wants to build for Muslims. And it's not just Muslims in Ghana. Muslims all over the world who come to Ghana and want to exit Ghana, they can go to this place. They can use the facilities. And then when it is time to go to Makkah, this is a place that Ghana baby. We have seen people die in Accra just coming to prepare to go to Makkah because baby so why can't we support as a party? Adentina NPP nyansa kakra say we ever boa Ghana and the NPP catcher say in Kremofo citizens intima for Ghana airport sika enye the NC Hajj village. Now, this is the Hajj village we are talking about. And every Muslim and this is the facility. There is a mosque. It is just one part of it. There is a Hajj board office and clinic. There is a recreational center. There's a commercial and conference area. That's all. And The Masalaji is a small part of the whole Hajj village. So why is the NPP telling us to say, a Hajj village, at the end of the day, in Kremofonde, Omonya Ghana for, na emum yenya den, yenfa citizens sikansi, na Kremofomonya Ghana for. And the NPP, whoever is in the NPP, they need to apologize to Muslims. They need to apologize to the Chief Imam's office. Some kwasia somewhere ni outside wa bedu hande. In kwasia jandam in yimu edidi nipa tem mdebia mu se chese intafo nye nipa inkremofo nye nipa awonafo nye nipa eyekofo nye nipa enzimafo nye nipa sa tribal piglet pathway a tribal shemuma wako opposition 1.8 million gap 38%. You are still doing tribal politics. Muya kwasia fo ma muya nwan na muya kwasia fo ma muni munyansa. Do you think that this will take you back to power? Mojin say tribalism will take you back to power, and a northness ashaban muma, and at the end, muyan kwasia forma, muma me di womo kwanwana. We need to build a nation. Some kwasia den ain't to be from power. You people need to understand, say, Omana yechichino, everybody is important. Inkremofo are a pivotal part of our nation. We cannot build Ghana without the Islamic religion. We can't. We cannot build this nation without a incremofo. We cannot. Until we need to give them the necessary respect. Until NPP for Moody incremofo them say yen to me fa Ghana airport in Faswa and see Hajj village. You people don't deserve incremofo vote to Ghana. And Allah in his own wisdom will help John Mahama to build this village. Allah in his own wisdom, he will guide John Mahama's steps. He will guide the NDC. They will build this village. They will build it to the glory of Allah. And in Kremoni Papa Bia, or 5 times a day, will appreciate this and will also remember John Mahama and the NDC. Intended MP for Kaja say, in Kremoni citizens, more MPP, more yankwasiafo. $58 million. Obina share the yanko pombo. Obujaji for dying to guye. Ebe sinde. One pillar crampo any national cathedral. Omo catch say omo fa ye kapre and the minuti hey omo muti hard a national cathedral board so ye ti omo ka omo mo wie sika. When your president or kind of correction say ye be si ye the oman sika. In fact Ghana airport for fa so kakra de bi si no monti bi da. Mo ye nkwasiafo. Mo ye nwan mo NPP for, and you see Ghana for are ready, and we will protect this government and we will always support what is good. And when you say Kremoni bi organ or ye papa, onye Kremoni kwasiampenyi se ba omia, Kremoni kwasiampenyi se Amin Adams, Kremoni kwasiampenyi or MPP mu a, they be obvious politics over religion. And the politics in team Kremofo mo MPP mu, mato Nyankopon atwe na mayes mpreku. Today you are shy to be part of a legacy like building a whole Hajj village to the glory of Allah. Mo ye mpreku.